Welcome to PhillipCapital Weekly Market Watch. My name is Alice, Great China Specialist from Phillip Securities Global Markets. For this week's episode of Market Watch, we will talk about China's new investment hotspot called Xiong'an concept. Firstly, what is it? China is planning on the development of a new area called Xiong'an in its northern Hebei province. The zone is expected to eventually expand to 2,000 square kilometers, nearly 3 times the size of New York, and is a key component of a massive mega region developing around Beijing, Tianjin, and Hebei. Xiong'an will also explore a new way of developing densely polluted areas, which could help the likes of traffic congestion and air pollution. The region, which was announced by leaders of China's Communist Party, will spur economic growth, take over Beijing's non-capital roles, serve as another economic engine, and advance the coordinated development of Beijing, Tianjin, Hebei region. Alarmed by the rocketing house prices, government has acted swiftly to stem speculation on property by suspending all new sales in the region. It also imposed strict regulations on who could develop and sell property in the area, as well as restrictions on residential permit restrictions. However, unlike the real estates, investors found great short-term speculation opportunities in stock market. Because mainland China markets were closed on Monday for holiday after the news announced, Hong Kong market took the lead in responding. For example, we could say one of the related stocks, BBMG Corporation, its share opened on higher prices on Monday and rose nearly 50% in 2 trading days. The company is a cement producer and property developer headquartered in Beijing. It is the largest supplier of building materials in Beijing, Tianjin, and Hebei province, which is expected to directly benefit from the Xiong'an district construction. And it is interesting to notice that there's a stock's price differentiation between A and H share on the 3rd trading day. It continuously hit the daily rising limit on A share market, while H share's price dropped nearly 7% on Hong Kong market. We suspect that the main reasons are the difference of the market mechanics and construction of the investor between mainland and Hong Kong stock market. Now, let's look at the A-share market. During the first week of this month, driven by the Xiong'an concept, the indices have rebounded and continuously rose. Trading volume was significantly enlarged and market risk appetite has clearly recovered. Slightly influenced by the U.S. economic and political events like Fed minutes and missile attack against Syria, China's A-share market has outperformed most of the A-shares market. So what are the related sectors and stocks? The planning of Xiong'an's new area is expected to proceed at a faster pace, and early infrastructures, environment protection, and other utilities will be the first to start construction. Industries like real estate, cement, steel, construction, and environment protection will be the first to benefit from it. Considering the company's major business sector and location, we have listed some related stocks on the slides that can be traded through the Stock Connect for your reference. Furthermore, in terms of trading volume and stocks performance, most of these stocks continuously jumped by their 10% allowance limit on the first week of this month. Investors hardly have the chance to buy due to the large bidding volume. This wave of madly rise lasted for nearly 2 weeks. Some of the stocks suspended last Thursday due to the abnormal fluctuations, and we expect that most of the related stocks will face a short-term decline pressure, but considering the importance of Xiong'an policy and the characteristics of A-share market, we expect this concept will continuously rise in the future. However, we should also be alert with the potential risks. Most of the time, it is more applicable to use short-term and mid-term speculation strategies to these hotspots investments that lead by news and policies, especially in A-share market. Some of the stocks are already risen too high and are overvalued when investors decide to take action. Another concern that we have is whether the actual effect of Xiong'an construction is as what the authorities expected, or the objective economic law is another important factor for the economic development besides government investment. With this, we have come to the end of this week's episode of Market Watch. For more information on global equities, you may approach any representative from global markets. Please subscribe us on PhillipCapital YouTube channel and Facebook, and stay tuned for more Market Watch videos. Thank you.